Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the Aipsun Black Light Fixtures Bathroom Vanity Light, a stunning addition to any modern bathroom. This elegant fixture measures 32.3 inches in length and extends 7.3 inches from the wall, featuring a sleek black design with a backplate that complements its sophisticated look. Crafted from durable materials like iron, aluminum, and crystal, this vanity light boasts a frosted finish that resists corrosion, ensuring it stays as good as new over time. The dazzling crystal lampshades not only enhance the lighting effect but also add a touch of brilliance to your space, and they can be easily removed for cleaning. Designed to work with E26 bulbs, this fixture is also dimmable when paired with dimmable bulbs, allowing you to customize the ambiance to your liking. Installation is a breeze with simple assembly required, though you'll need to provide your own switch. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours, ensuring you can shop with confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.